one is just full. It's wild. I don't want all the goo to fall out. I just want to give them an opening. Spicy. Oh, back up. Yeah, spicy boy. Yeah, this one's full too. It's just like tight. It's like a water balloon. I'm doing it on an arc so that way they can easily push out of that when they're ready. Spicy boy, back off. The funny thing about pythons is they have the heat pits. So if it's doing an alligator, huh? So if it's room temperature, they don't regard it as a threat. They're only looking at something warm. So tools like a snake hook are very effective. But yeah, I want all these guys to be able to get out of their shells without having to go to a lot of trouble. And you need to not bite me. Just stay back. Stay back. Back. This one's fused. So I'm just going to cut it in place. It's fused to the two neighbors. Yeah, these three are tight. It's really interesting. Hey, fortunately you got no heft in your bite. Yeah, that'll be fine. They'll be able to poke noses out through that. And there you go. We got one out of the egg. We've already disposed of that one here. And I'd pick them up, but not with my fingers. I'll show the umbilicus. Snake hook is way bigger than it needs to be for such a tiny little thing, but it's a good tool. So if you look, you see, come around the other side. That's from last night, and it's drying up, but the perlite in this bin is nice and wet, so that umbilical is still moist, which is good. And there you go, little one. You can crawl around and be a little monster. You'll calm down eventually, I'm sure. And that's that.
He just cranky.